Hi, I'm Susan Cheever, a member of Team XX, along with Savannah Turley and Taylor Barneson. As an all-female group, Team XX was most interested in issues associated with women's health. On the left side, under Project Overview, literature review demonstrated that 30% of women over the age of 50 experience fragility fractures, and that women are 3.4 times as likely as men to experience osteoporosis-related bone fractures. We also learned that early and consistent practice of osteoprotective or bone protecting behaviors significantly reduces the risk of osteoporosis, yet few women practice osteoprotective behaviors. Look on the top left under Research Questions. We wondered, are female students at Brigham Young University, Idaho aware of the dangers of osteoporosis and behaviors they can use to prevent it? And are those students that are aware of the dangers of osteoporosis more likely to engage in osteoprotective behaviors than those who are not aware? And finally, of the students who don't practice osteoprotective behaviors, why don't they? Look at the bottom left, you'll see something about our survey questions. We formulated questions about their awareness of osteoporosis and about awareness and practice of osteoprotective behaviors. We surveyed female students at BYU, Idaho. Our survey would have benefited from additional questions regarding their recognition of the dangers associated with osteoporosis. I would like to conduct this study again with a larger survey pool. If I have the opportunity to do so, my survey will include questions. Are you aware that women are nearly 3.5 times as likely as men to experience fractures due to osteoporosis? Did you know that 30% of women over the age of 50 have experienced fragility fractures? And did you know that practicing osteoprotective behaviors from the time you are young significantly reduces the risk of osteoporosis? If you look at the discussion box in the center of the poster, you'll see that with the data we collected, we learned that while nearly half of the women were aware of 4 or more osteoprotective behaviors, only 11% practiced that many. Nearly 30% of women stated that they did not consider osteoporosis relevant to their time of life, yet given the fact that we were surveying college students and 60% of those women were under the age of 27, it's significant that more than 70% did not cite irrelevance to their stage of life as a reason for not practicing them. The most common reasons for not practicing bone health were lack of knowledge and lack of encouragement from their doctors. If you look at the top right, you'll see that that's supported by a comparison of knowledge and belief, demonstrating that women who are aware of osteoprotective character of a behavior are twice as likely to engage in it as those who are not aware of its osteoprotective nature. We conclude that female students at Brigham Young University, Idaho would benefit from more information concerning osteoporosis and osteoprotective behavior.